Welcome everyone in the Cloud Technicals with a new educational video. I am Paramjit Singh, and in this video we will talk about the top trending IT certifications. Certifications plays a very important role in an individual's career. Apart from the regular education, the industry certifications gives an edge while securing a job in the market. In this video, we will discuss about the top 10 trending IT certifications which an individual can look for and grow their career. Certified ethical hacker. In today's time, hiring an ethical hacker is not a choice but a necessity. A hacker always look for the vulnerabilities in the organization's infrastructure and hit hard when he finds one. If you want to become an ethical hacker, you must have the ability to look in the system's vulnerabilities and close them. This help your organizations to be safe from these hackers. The Certified Ethical Hacker certification indicates that you have a sound knowledge in the network security pertaining to the prevention of these malicious hacking attacks. Microsoft Certified Solutions Expert. If you are an IT professional, the MCSC certification will help you to validate your technical expertise through the industry proven and industry recognized exams. MCSA certifications shows you have the skills to design and build advanced solutions that integrate multiple Microsoft technologies. We all know that Microsoft is an IT leader and a giant in providing the cloud services and the hybrid solutions. If you want to play with the Microsoft technologies and love to integrate the Microsoft products to design the custom to design solutions for the customer, this is the one of the certifications which you should look for and grow up your career. Global Information Assurance Certification. GIAC provides a set of vendor neutral computer security certifications. The objective of these certifications is to focus on job based on capabilities rather than providing a standard course to all. With the Internet of Things, the number of devices on the network are increasing like anything. This leads to the demand of highly skilled people who can manage these threats and eliminate them. If you are a person who love to work on Internet of Things and want to secure them, these are the certifications which you can look for and grow your career. Information Technology Infrastructure Library, commonly known as ITIL. It is a set of best practices done by the IT service management within an organization. ITIL concentrates on adjusting and arranging the IT services according to the requirement of the organization. If you are a person who loves to manage and govern the IT services within an organization, the ITIL certifications are ideal for you. CompTIA. This is a fundamental certification which gives you a strong hold on the knowledge of hardware and software and for troubleshooting on wide range of computers and smartphones. This certification primarily gives you a good command on the base operating systems for majority of the devices running right now. So if you are a person who love to play with the devices and gadgets, this is the certification which you can look for and grow yourself. Project Management Professionals, majorly known as PMP. It is one of the most globally recognized certification. It is created and administered by the PMI, which is known as Project Management Institute. PMP helps you to examine yourself in the five main criteria: initiating, planning, executing, monitoring, and controlling. So, if you wish to become a project manager and to work in an organization, PMP is one of the most favorite certification which you can look for. Cisco Certified Network Administrator or CCNA. This is a well-known certification from the Cisco for the network technologies. This is also very common certification for the network resources. This helps individual to build the networks to configure switches and routers. Once you are a CCNA certified, you can look for CCNA in the specializations also for security, voice, and wireless. CCNA security deals with troubleshooting and monitoring of network devices. CCNA voice deals with configuring VoIPs, handset, and voice over mails. CCNA wireless talks about the configuration of equipments which are used to build the wireless technologies. If you are a network freak and want to grow your career in the network technologies, this is the certification which you can look for and grow your career. Certified Information System Security Professional or CISSP. This is also one of the globally recognized IT security professional technical skills certification. This certification talks about the cybersecurity. Organizations usually look for CISSP certified resources because this certification ensures about the good knowledge of cybersecurity with hands-on experience of at least of 5 years. So if you are a person who wants to grow your career in the field of cybersecurity, this is one of the best certification which you can look for. AWS Solutions Architect. AWS is the market leader in providing the cloud services. Therefore, the demand of AWS certified resources is also growing. If you want to build your career in designing solutions based on AWS services, AWS Solutions Architect certifications are the one you should look for. AWS Solution Architect Associate is the most commonly done certification for the AWS resources. You can start with associate level and grow to the professional one. Agile and Scrum. This is a popular certification in 2020. Agile methodology is more towards adapting the changes as per the requirement throughout the project lifecycle. Scrum outlines the framework in an agile project management, considering setting up of meetings, tools, and roles that work in harmony to help team structure and conduct their work. Through this certification, you will be able to learn the Agile and Scrum framework and give an understanding of the team, roles, and events and artifacts, as well as how to guide the Agile teams throughout a project management lifecycle. So, if you love to manage and deliver the projects, this is the certification which you must look for. I hope you have liked the 10 certifications which I have shown you in this video. Do comment me with the certification which you are planning to complete in the near future. If you want to know more about any of these certification, do also mention in the comment box and I will provide a new video based on your inputs. Do not forget to subscribe this channel so that you can get more updates about the industry trends and do not miss them. Thank you.